So, have you ever thought about creating a second income here online? Thought about maybe doing YouTube, thought about doing affiliate marketing, or not really having a direction at all? The idea and the concept here is if you start now with YouTube and you start creating what I call a traffic source, or the focus is using YouTube and thinking like a marketer, you can get the ball rolling pretty quickly. Over my community, over my school community, I asked a question. I ran a poll, the difference between a job and what we do online. The point of the poll is, what do you think's harder to do? Wait for results or trust the process, or is there something else that keeps you from going all in? And that's really the concept I want to talk with you about today, because the focus of what it is that I teach and preach here on 30-minute marketing is the idea and the concept of understanding what it means to create content with the sole purpose of identifying a problem for a group of people and then guiding those people towards a solution, aka doing affiliate marketing and recommending a solution specifically around digital products. That's really where my wheelhouse is showing people, like, most likely like you, that are people like me over 40 who spent their life working a job and or building a career, and then sort of realizing that that's not the direction, or they want something extra or want something different, and they're trying to figure out how to do that. And that is the sole purpose of this video, is to bring this back to really what you need. You need three things, and that's what I want to show you in this video. These three things are traffic. The thing you need is traffic, and you need to understand and know what traffic means in the realm of making money online and thinking about starting the YouTube channel and understanding how and what the process of affiliate marketing is. And then you need an offer. So an offer is that product that you're going to recommend that solves that problem. Remember, I was talking with you about a group of people that have a problem. Just like when you show up every day for your day job, the company that you work for has already identified that group of people. And then your job working for that company is to solve that problem. The offer that the business that you work for is the product that that business is in the business of selling. So when you decide to do this for yourself and you come back and you say, okay, I know I need three things now. I need traffic to an offer. And then those people that have seen or that I've helped with my content that is my traffic, and I'm going to break all this down for you a little bit deeper in this video, but there's three things here. So the idea and the concept of how to build a second income on YouTube with affiliate marketing is really about turning your current expertise or taking the time to build a 24/7 income stream that works while you're sleeping, because we all start from zero. But understand, right? This whole concept, just like that poll in my affiliating group, is about understanding that what is it that's stopping me from going all in on YouTube and affiliate marketing? And some of the responses were trusting the process when there's no proof yet. And there is proof. There's proof out there that it works. Just like the company that you currently work for, there's proof that building a business works, that helping people in exchange for money, giving them a solution, works. Waiting for results to finally show up and staying consistent without a guaranteed paycheck. These are the things that hold us back, that are holding you back, getting started here on YouTube, creating helpful content and finding those people, that group of people that have a problem, and then taking them towards a solution. Again, we're looking at this and we're saying, okay, if you're thinking about what you do right now, just like what I did for 30 years, I traded my time and I put hours upon hours learning and becoming better at the skill that kept me employed, right? But every month it was just a reset because I was still just an employee building someone else's business. All right. So then I discovered something different, which is here on YouTube, plus affiliate marketing, and the fact that I can make one helpful video and it's out there, right? Or it's out there on the internet, just like this video, Just like the videos that you watch every day, it's out there doing its job 24/7, right? It's finding that audience that's looking for the solution that I have for them. So we move into this idea or this concept, and this is my strategy. It's my proven top strategy. It's proven because I've done it with other YouTube channels where I make videos that solve real problems that people are searching for, and they're out there searching for these solutions. And once you've identified this problem and you make these videos, that becomes your traffic. Then you build or you let them know about an offer that takes them to a solution, and then you build an email list. An email list is something that you own off of the platform of YouTube. And the strategy is simple. I'm not going to say it's easy, but it's very simple. Now, understand that I have a complete strategy here. Just like I was showing you a second ago, there's 3 things that you need. 1, you need traffic. 2, you need an offer. And 3, you need to add those people that have seen your content, because down here under traffic, what we're talking about is picking a topic and creating consistent content. And the people that see this content and then have seen your offer, what you want to do is you want to build an email list, because like I said, it's something that you own. And these are the things that you're going to learn in my 9-step process that I call affiliating. But it comes back to this idea and this concept of the proven top strategy is 3 things, 3 pillars: traffic. Then you let people know about an offer because they see, or you're able to take them and get them to the point where they can see your offer, which is a solution. And then you want to take those people that have seen that offer and that solution, and you want to add them to your customer list. Just like the business that you currently work for, you have a list of customers that call you in for support or call into you for support, or customers that you go out to support. And you're constantly, as an employee, building that list for the business that you work for. So we keep moving with this and we think, okay, reason number 1, the real risk that we have as people is we only have so much time. So when you don't start, you don't have a catalog that's building. You don't have those videos here on YouTube that are building that helpful content, that source of traffic. You're not building that if you're waiting. So when you do start, right, the tiny numbers that you're going to start with. So for example, 10 views over 30 videos turns into 300 views when you add or you build that catalog, and the clicks, right? The people that see your videos and they click on your links, this all starts accumulating, and that builds your email list, or that builds your customer list. Just like the business that you work for, they have a huge list of customers. You're going to be building that. And that is the real risk, right? The real risk of staying still is you're going to be in the same place in 10 years. Okay. The next thing was, the reason you need to start today, the reason you need to start now is because you already have an unfair advantage, right? If you're over 40 with a career and a family, you have something that most creators that are younger than you don't have. You have real world experience. That's authority and that's trust. Okay. Authority and trust add up to reasons for those people, that group of people down here, to take what you say and want to follow you from where they are right now with a problem towards a solution. Then we get into reason number 3. Today is the easiest that it'll ever be, right? It's going to just get more and more crowded. So tomorrow, more competition enters your niche. Next month, right, everything changes. The window narrows. Next year, you're just still sitting there wishing you would have started, right? The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. So the idea and the concept here is, in this video, I'm telling you to start today, but the focus is killing the fears. Just like the poll, the answers to the poll, waiting for results to finally show up, trusting the process when there's no proof, staying consistent without a guaranteed paycheck, believing the bigger payday may never come, or it's going to be too long for it to come. These are the fixes, right? We set input goals. We have a fix for every single one of these. And again, I polled my community, and inside my community, that's what we're doing over in my community. And there's a link in the description for my affiliated community. We're discussing this, as well as inside of my classroom. I have very specific tutorials and trainings that will take you through this process, to include, to go back to this 3-step process, or the foundational pillars of traffic to an offer and putting people on an email list. This is 9 simple steps that I guide you through to get you to step 9, which is to profit and scale your online business that starts here on YouTube and starts with affiliate marketing as a very simple process, a process that is going to easily compound the quicker you get started. So when you start today and then you show up tomorrow, and then in the next 10 years or in 10 years from now, you have a business just like the business that you currently work for. You grow that business based on a proven strategy and based on the idea and the complete focus of the realization that, yeah, everyone has, right, these reasons for not getting started. But if we can implement simple fixes and realize that this is going to work based off of the fact that it is proven and other people have done it, and the fact that you have authority and you have real world experience based on the things that you've done in your life, you just need to translate that into a simple message, which is just helpful content here on YouTube, and saying, hey, by the way, if you really want a solution to this problem, there's a link in the description. Check it out. I use it. I know it works. I know it's going to work for you as well. That's really all we're doing at the end of the day. And all we have to do is start today. There's a link in the description. Check out my affiliating group. I know it'll help you because it helped me get to where I am, and it's helping the other folks that are in that group as well. If you'd like to know more about that, just click the link in the description. Check it out. Thanks for watching this video. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.